Hi guys! Ayan, nakauwi na si Erela from her papa's family. So, what happened in the party? Did you have fun? Kasi doon marami siyang cousins eh. Dito nakakalaro niya isa lang. Yung pamangkin ko.
Tita ko.
Oo, tita niya pa yun. So, did you have fun? Ano mga pinaglalaro niyo?
Naglangit lupa kami. Ako yung taya.
Hindi ka naman laging taya. Langit lupa. Okay. So, tapos, what else? That's,
Sabi
alam niyo, nakakamiss yung mga street games eh, no? So, which is nakakalungkot. Talagang bihira
Alam
na.
mo, si Kuya EJ, pumunta siya kay Mama Mary. Natingin ko,
Yeah, it's
may fake money!
Happy birthday, Mama Mary.
May fake money sa statue ni Mama Mary. Tapos sabi ni Kuya EJ, haha! Sabi natin siya, nag-sorry ka!
Hindi, natatawa lang naman siya because there is fake money. Pero hindi naman, doesn't mean na pinagtatawa niya si Mama Mary. Siguro yung nagbigay, siguro may play money, siguro may naglalaro ng bata. Baka nakalimutan lang yun. Or maybe it's his or her offering. Hindi niya alam. Walang value yung money niya. Wala naman siya masamang intensyon.
Ma, may patay dog. Dalawa.
Bayaan mo sila.
Sabi ko,
Kapit-bahay siguro.
alam mo bakit?
Po.
Condolence. You know what's condolence mean?
Ilalabas
Saying sorry to the other people's lives.
lives. Also,
Saying sorry also to their sin. Because they're dead na. They're Jesus.
So, kilala ba ni Papa mo yung
Patay.
neighbors nila yun? Siyempre,
Eh di niya alam eh.
baka nadaanan mo lang yun
Nung naglangit lupa ka ba?
on the way.
May lokong bata doon.
Ano? Bakit?
Diba sa SK chairman si Papa.
Hmm.
Diba may office na siya. Yung bata, tatlong bata, may candle, nilalagay nila ng usok, nilalagay nila doon sa stable. Tapos they're melting their hands.
Oo, masamahan. Napaka-kids, ha? Huwag maglalaro ng candles. It's not kids stuff. Okay? Si Rela lagi kong binibilinan. Huwag na huwag maglalaro or magsisindi kayo ng candles without the supervision of adults. Mahirap na, baka magkasunog. Okay? Sinabihan mo sila.
Those children are big na. Those children are big na. Like 10, 11, 12.
Kahit na 10 or 10
Sabi ko, susumbong kita sa papa ko.
Mm-hmm.
Office niya yan. Sige, tingnan mo. Papagalitan siya ng mami. Papaalis ka dito. Sa Pasig ka na pupunta. Parang wala ka ng kaibigan.
Sama yun, don't play. So next time, pag nakita mo sila, tama yun, isumbong mo sa mga adults that there are kids na naglalaro ng candles. Masama talaga yun. Ako po, Diyos ko po. Pag nasunog, pag may nasunog na,
Binabayad.
it's not a joke.
Papa is working there.
Office ng Papa doon
So
yan.
if the kids watch this, the one who made usok, the kid, if the kids watch this, they will stop. Your mommy will hear it.
Kids ha. Kung Erela, ikaw din ha. Huwag mong gagayahin yung naglalaro ng candle.
I'm not doing that.
Very good. Okay, you're
I can only touch this, ha? I can only touch my toys. A babe.
Oh, candle and candle is not a kid stuff. Okay?
Look. Look at this. The kids are playing fire. Look at this. They're good.
Hindi ako marunong Okay, at least,
Look at me, guys.
wait lang. I'm happy that you had fun with your cousins.
Guys,
Till next visita of
look,
Arela.
look, guys. Look at me. This is the bad children. Let's play fire. This is the good children. I want to play fire.
These are the good children.
So pick A or B. Which one will
B,
you
syempre.
pick?
B.
Sila magsasagot. Tell in the comments. A or B. A is the bad children. B is the good children.
Yes, good children, syempre. And Arela is
Good.
good child. Okay, I'm proud of my Arela. She's very masunurin din talaga. Come on, come here. And very good. I'm happy that Arela had fun with her cousins. Yeah, thank you
Shout
for
out for Ate Shay.
yeah,
I hope you do ballet best.
thank you for watching. Till next. God bless.